Hi, I'm John Mead, and I'm here today to announce an exciting new product. And actually, it's a reintroduction of a product that we made back in the 80s. Back in 1980, we'd been manufacturing, A16 had been manufacturing innovative and high quality products for backpackers and mountaineers for about 20 years at that point. Marty Heister was running our wholesale distribution division, and he came to me one day and he said, you know, we're really doing well with hats. But we've got all these sun hats and these other great hats for the outdoors, but we don't have a cold weather hat. Do you think you guys could come up with something that would keep your head warm when you're doing winter activities? And so my mind immediately went to a hat that my dad was issued back in the Korean War. And I called him up and asked him to send me that hat that I remembered so well. And this is the hat that he sent me. And it was a great design, we thought, because of a number of reasons. When the temperatures drop, your heart pumps first blood to your head to keep your head warm, because you lose an extremely large amount of heat off the top of your head and the back of your neck. And so we felt that this hat, because it was insulated in the neck, covered your ears, covered obviously the top of your head, this might be a great model for creating the hat that we were looking for. So we gave the hat to our head seamstress, who was Sharon Larson, very talented designer, and she came up with this hat, which we instantly named the bomber hat, because we felt it looked like a little like a bombardier's hat, and it was also kind of a bomb-proof hat for cold weather conditions. We added a few updates. We obviously made it in some bright colors to make it that fun. We added the Velcro, and we added a brim that would help, keep the reflection of the snow, out of one's eyes. And so this was we felt a much more functional hat than the one that, that would at that point was 30 years old. So that's the bomber hat. And we continued to make this bomber hat for about another 15 years, and stopped. We closed down our factory, and we stopped making Adventure 16 products. But throughout the next 30 years, I kept having customers and friends come to me and say, well, whatever happened to the bomber hat? That was a great hat. And we thought that it would be a great idea to reintroduce that great hat and came up with this hat that's available now. So back by popular demand is the bomber hat. And it's basically the same hat that we made back in 1980. And it comes in 2 colors, and it comes in 3 sizes. It also has this back adjustment to it, and that's important. So the hat is designed so that when the weather's not that cold, you can wear it up, or when that north wind blows and that temperature drops, which it does in the mountains, you can snug it under your chin and have that full protection on top of your head, down through your ears, and around the chin. Or you can wear it medium and be fashionable.